Hey everyone, staying in a van can be challenging when it's hot out because it's a small little metal box you're in. So some people are happy they have thermopane windows like on the Novas and that they have a thermopane window which helps out a lot. But our Beyond doesn't have thermopane windows, not from the factory, but it kind of does. Let me explain how that works. A thermopane window just has a piece of glass, an air gap, a piece of glass, and then the interior of your van. Well, by putting up curtains and the window shades that come with the van, you're actually kind of creating a pseudo thermopane window. For example, the vinyl siding right here, if I look at the temperature of it, is 88 degrees. Down here, it's 85 degrees. And right here, this is 92 degrees. If I unzip it, these are curtains of dead bait, got a little zipper in it. I'll bring that zipper up and throw that right there. The inside of that curtain is 91 degrees. This is the factory blind. It's 106 degrees. And if we open that up, you see all that sun coming in. If I took a look at the back of this blind, this curtain, it's 114 degrees. But the glass itself is 124 degrees. This little pocket of air is pretty hot. But when you pull that down, you seal that air off. Now this little pocket of air right here is not quite as hot. It's not bad at all. And then when you close this off, boom, you've created your own little thermal blanket to keep that sun and heat out of the van. Hope that helps. Bye everyone.